In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello username. Whether you're rebranding yourself, correcting a mistake, or simply looking for a refresh, updating your username is a straightforward process. It should only take about 5 minutes. Let's walk through the steps together, starting from accessing your account to finalizing the changes. First, the journey to change your Trello username begins by navigating to your Atlassian account settings. It's important to know that Trello is part of the Atlassian ecosystem, which means your Trello profile is linked with your Atlassian account. So, start by going to your preferred web browser and head to id.atlassian.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Atlassian account credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. Otherwise, take a moment to enter your details and access your account. Now that you're logged in, you want to find the section called Profile and Visibility. This is your central hub for managing personal settings, which includes your Trello username. Navigate around until you spot Profile and Visibility. It might be tempting to click through quickly, but take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account settings. There's sometimes valuable information tucked away in these sections that can help you with more than just your username. Once inside Profile and Visibility, look for the field designated for your Trello username. This is the area you'll be editing to change how your username appears. It's pretty straightforward from here. Click inside the username field and make the necessary changes to your username. Whether you're going for something entirely new or just tweaking a character or two, ensure that your new username reflects what you want. Also, remember that your username should be unique within the Trello community, so if you encounter any issues, it might be because the username you desire is already taken. Finally, and most importantly, once your new username is entered, you need to save your changes. This step is crucial, as failing to do so will result in your edits being discarded. Look for a save button somewhere in the vicinity. It might be at the top or the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm and apply your changes. Once saved, your Trello username update is complete, and your new identity should be immediately reflected across the Trello platform. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Trello username with just a few clicks. By following these simple steps, you can refresh your online presence and make sure your profile perfectly represents you or your brand. Remember, this process can be revisited anytime if further changes are needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.